Hello guys, Dorcas here. Today I'm going to speak about Roblox. This man playing with the animated subway trains. But this man's kind of cool. He even has we're going to do this again. No, I do so. I'm going to do myself right now. Hello guys, Dorcas here. Today I play this game called Roblox. This is about I'm playing with the animated subway trains. Well, it actually has I'm actually behind. Oh, hello guys, Dorcas here. Today for this game called Roblox. This is about my playing is the animated subway trains. That's why I'm gonna start right now. It's York Central. Hello guys, Dorcas here. Today for this game called Roblox. This is about I'm playing the animated subway trains. Lots of subway trains in there. Going on with the express train first. I'm going on with the express train first. Going on to the express train first. Let's try the express train first.
The train is now arriving. The train is now arriving for York. Please step back from the platform edge.
At the Southern Line. Let's go on the Southern Line.
The train is now arriving for York Central. Calling at York Central. Please step back from the platform edge.
We have train to York Central. And this one we're going to try the express train.
Warning, the doors are closing.
Doors are closing. Doors are closing.
Step back from the platform.
Central Station right now, guys. I'm going on the express train. We're actually on the express train right now. I'm keeping on the Southern Line first. Yep. We're running this express train right now. And we're riding another one. I'm gonna ride the express train. I'm gonna ride on the. I don't know how I'm gonna ride it.
Exit the train with luggage before you're boarding the train. If this train is full, please wait for the next service.
36. Oh, I bet. Sunlight Express right now. Where's the train? It's already been full of the map. Something. Okay, it's not full of the map. Okay. Yeah, it for this okay. This is the express train to National Dallas Airport. Yeah, it's over there. Just passing the stations. Arriving at arriving at Dallas Airport.
is full. Please wait for the next service.
You're running only express trains. These are my only express train, guys.
Warning, the doors are closing.
Express trains.
The
Yep. We're in the York Central. York Central. So the sound. It's supposed to be passing stations. Okay, is it on? Okay. Now the trains are arriving at York Central, guys.
Please ensure people will exit the train with luggage before you're boarding the train. If this train is full, please wait for the next service.
The train. Hold on. Where's it comes?
Doors are closing.
Trying over this got derailed. Turn it off track.